Hi, hello. Welcome to LIJANG YouTube channel. And the costs are not cheap. And this one, the normal one. Look, the normal one is light golden. So guys, let me expose about the harvesting of Karbi Anglong. So I will show you how they have done the harvesting in their field. So let me try to expose today. Hả? Này mà yang tin kok lo. Marit lo kam klem eh. Hả? Pang dere li. Dunde lo ma. Wow, wow, dunde lo ma. Mama lo doh dak. Kiti na yun lo, se bokoy lo le dap ko.
Jadi along ne jadi ne senge jadi no jite jare kema ne senge do e ho kema ne senge do e jadi along ne jadi ne senge jadi no jite lalang tara pam sine jadi dam jong hai nang chelo jima pula chong hong lo kai ke lalang tara pam sine jadi dam jong hai nang chelo kai ke mirindia lo kume ke do puane senge kapharna mirindia lo kume ke do puane senge kapharo jadi along le jadi le senge jagre lo jiche ja.
Call it bara. And look, this one, the premium one. This is highly required for the refreshment. This is not like the normal rice. We commonly call it bara. We call it bara. The skin is black. Look, the skin is black. And one thing, this one is like the chingam. The food are like the chingam. That one, and the costs are not cheap. And this one, the normal one. Look, the normal one is light golden, yellow. This is the Karbi unique way of cutting rice. Look. Now they are collecting the untied rice from the ground. Are almost to complete the untied. See, it's all making drive to that for the rice tree. Look guys. It's time to leave.